So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the basic things that you have to know as a new YouTuber, what you need to know about recording or filming your videos. So these videos can be for YouTube, these videos can be for Instagram. Hello guys, once again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, you're most welcome. And if you haven't considered subscribing to this channel, please do so, because on this channel I share with you tips and tricks, how to, and all the hacks that you need to know about entrepreneurship, productivity, as well as social media growth. So if you're new to this channel, please consider checking out my playlist that I'll link up there so that you can see what this channel has to offer. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the basic, what you need to know about recording or filming your videos. So these videos can be for YouTube, these videos can be for Instagram. If you are new to this channel, you know I shoot my videos using my phone, and I teach you everything from my phone on how I use my phone to record all my videos for YouTube and as well as for Instagram. So the same applies in today's video. I'm going to show everything using a phone. I don't have a camera yet, so everything we do, we're going to do it on our phone. So the first tip that I have for you guys is to make sure you clean your lens. Every time you record, you want to start recording yourself, you want to start recording a video for any purpose, whether it's replying to a friend, for your Instagram reels, for your Instagram stories, for your YouTube channel. The first thing that you need to make sure of is that your camera lens is clean. So guys, make sure that your camera lens is clean. So I'll be using the tab as an example, because right now I'm using my phone, but yeah, everything applies to the tablet as well. So the first thing that you need to do is you should have a cloth that you can use to clean. This is my spectacles cloth, so but I use it to clean everything. So make sure you're gonna clean your camera like so. And before I showed you the back camera. It's important because I use the back camera. In the other video, in one of my videos, I can't remember the title, I gave you a reason why it's so important to use the back camera instead of the front camera, because the quality at the back is not the same quality in front. So make sure, if you want to make your videos either for YouTube or whatever it is, make sure to use the rear camera of your phone. So that's why I'm showing you directly, like you should clean the lens of the back camera. So that is, you need to do that. Alright, the second thing that you also need to do when you're filming, don't look anywhere on your screen. Don't look anywhere on your screen, right? Make sure that you look exactly in here, in the lens of your phone, at the back of your phone. So that's what you want to do. Keep your eyes focused in here, and this helps you to have a deeper connection with your viewers. When you are looking straight into here, you will see that I'm looking directly into your eyes. But if I look on the side and say whatever I have to say, like I'm doing now, you can see that I'm not looking into your eyes, or I'm just facing somewhere else. But if I have to direct my eyes straight into the lens, you will see that I am looking directly into your eyes. I am having eye contact with you. So that is very important, to look through the lens, because it builds trust between you and your viewers. It also helps to build a connection. It feels like this person is talking to you directly. So once you're done with cleaning your lens, you know, looking into the mirror, the other tip that I have for you is tip number 3. If you're showing off something, you are reviewing something, or you're showing off an area maybe where you have your lunch or something, you're vlogging, where you're spending your time, make sure that your motion is not too fast. Make sure that your motion is not too fast. You can't show your viewers 10 different things in 10 seconds. So make it slow motion so that people can relate to whatever you're talking about. If you move too fast, they will not engage, they will not be able to understand what you're talking about, and they will not get the whole idea. Tip number 5 that I have for you, if you are shooting especially for YouTube, make sure that you don't shoot vertically like this, holding your phone like this. Make sure you shoot horizontal. This is the way to go, because this frame is very important. It will make your, I'm sure you have seen other videos that have black things in between. It's because the owner of that video shot that video vertically, which is not a good idea. So if you are posting for YouTube, make sure, if you are recording for YouTube, make sure that your video is shot horizontally. Another tip that I have for you, as soon as you set your camera and you can see, you can reflect. I showed you in my other video when I was showing you the office tour, I showed you that I do not shoot my videos without using my laptop or as a reflector, because I use it as a reflector to make sure that I see myself, that I'm in frame, everything is okay. So in this case, if you do that, whether it's your laptop or your mirror, whatever, there's a person behind the camera, make sure that whatever is in the frame is of this, it's of good light, because what you see right now when you start recording, it's what you get at the end of what you see, it's what you get. So whatever quality of the video that you can see the moment you start recording, it's exactly what you'll get at the end of the video. So the moment you realize that your camera is a bit brilliant, make sure that you rectify that mistake. If you're too dark, make sure you rectify that mistake, because it's difficult to correct a video than it is to correct a picture or a photo. A lot of people think, a lot of beginners think that when you are shooting a video, you'll be able to change the light and everything just like you can do with a photo. It's quite different, and it's quite difficult with a video. So for you to avoid these mistakes, to go over again to shoot another video, just make sure that everything is correct. Another tip that I have for you guys is to make sure that you do not use, make sure that you don't zoom anything, okay? Because zooming makes the video quality lose its value. So it's either you just come close to the subject, take a video of that subject. These zoom things, you can actually do them when you're editing. Like in InShot, I showed you the other video where I showed you my 3 favorite apps that I use. In InShot or whatever editing software that you use, you have an opportunity to zoom in. So just take a video as it is, move closer to the subject that you want to, to stand out. Then when you are editing, you can actually zoom it in there. So don't zoom now when you are shooting. Zoom later when you are editing. Another tip that I have for you as an individual, when you are recording or when you're shooting your video, make sure that you do not wear clothing that has busy patterns. Like, give me a moment. Make sure that you do not have clothes that have busy pattern like this. This is actually my husband's shirt. I couldn't get anything off myself that he's so busy. But this is one thing that you don't want to wear. Don't put on something that looks like this, because such busy patterns are distracting to the viewers. And also they have a tendency, when you move around, they tend to flick on camera. They leave the patterns on camera. So just stay away from such clothing with busy patterns. Just have something a bit plain. If you can have a bit plain, if it's something with flowers, not too much. Let your clothing not be too busy. Okay, and while at that, also if your background is white, please try by all means also not to wear white, because so have a different color as your background. And if you are new to YouTube and you want to paint your wall, because there are people that prefer painting their wall where they'll be shooting their videos, the neutral color that you could use is gray, because gray works well for everyone, for whatever outfit that you. Another tip that I have for you guys is to make sure that your phone is fully charged. You don't want to start recording or shooting your video at 50%, at 25%, and then before you know it, you are here talking to yourself. Guarantee the video stopped recording a long time because your phone couldn't, your battery died a long time. So make sure, guys, when you come and start recording your video, make sure that your phone is fully charged so that you don't have these mistakes. We can't afford to start all over putting on makeup, your hairstyle again, and all those things. So just make sure that everything is in place so that when you start recording, that you are sure that the battery will last you longer. Another tip that I have for you, I always sing about this tip, is to have a script for your video. A script will help you through the video. It will guide you what you're supposed to say. It will make sure that it will help you make sure that you cover all the points that you want to mention in that specific video. With all that being mentioned, guys, I would also like to mention that I have free goodies for you guys, new beginners that want to start their YouTube channel. I'll leave the link in the description below. I have a formula for your YouTube channel as well as the YouTube checklist. So I'll leave the goodies in the description below. You can go and just download and see what you can do, as I know a lot of you want to start your YouTube channel as your new goal in 2021. So those checklists might have, the checklist and the formula might just help you know where to start and what to do with your channel. So guys, let me know in the comments what you think of this video, or let me know what other tips that you think is also important that I might have left out, that I might have forgotten. Leave them in the comments so that we can all learn from each other. See you in my next video. Take care.